Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore apps from the Samsung Cloud Backup in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accounts and backup. Now in accounts and backup, click on restore data in Samsung Cloud section. Now from here, click on backup file. Now from here, select apps. Now first of all, if you have deleted or uninstalled some apps by mistake, you can just simply open the restore option and from here tap on apps and then click on done, and then it will tap on restore and then click on install, and then it will start installing the apps that you have deleted mistakenly. So now after a few seconds it will download all the apps. So now you can see it's downloading the apps. So that's how you can restore apps from the Samsung Cloud Backup in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.